everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Elina Michelle and today I'm gonna tell you guys and discuss with you guys what all hacks I use in this sinking in summer season, which is so hot and so frustrating and dehydrating. Okay, so I will be telling you all guys the 4 hacks which I use with my super duper affordable and super duper best product with my most loving product of the 2020 and since my childhood. So this is the product which I'm talking about, and this is the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. This is not a sponsored video. I use this moisturizer for moisturizing my face and also for different hacks which I will be telling you guys in this video. So stay tuned and let's get started. So for the pack, I will be mixing 1 teaspoon of this face pack, and this is the Bella Vita Face Glow Pack. I will be mixing 1 teaspoon of this along with my gel moisturizer, like 1 to 2 tablespoons, and then I will make a paste. So this is how the paste looks like, and it's quite thick in consistency. So you can also dilute it if you want it to be like a little more, I don't know. I love it. I love the consistency to be this much thick, and it's really easy to apply when the consistency is quite thick. So this is how the pack looks like, and oops. So I will be now leaving it on my face for good 10 minutes and I will be back with... So this is how my face looks after applying the face pack for 10 minutes, and I don't know if you all can see the difference, but आज थोड़ा सा weather gloomy सा है, but this is how radiant my face looks like. So the second hack now which I use for this Super Light Pond's Gel Cream is that when I don't want to use heavy primers like for my everyday use, I go on with this because it just fills my pore and it makes my skin look so smooth and so good, same as the toner. So I just take a very decent amount of product in my hand and I just apply it, massage it like this and apply it over my pores. So this is how I apply it. You can also apply it on your face सारे areas पे. I am just using it over the major pore issue areas. And now I will go on with the foundation. So this is the hack number 2. Let's move towards the hack number 3. Sometimes I don't like using a very heavy foundation on my face, like it's a super matte foundation. I don't want to use it on my face. So what I usually do, or I use a hack here, that is how to convert a matte foundation into a dewy foundation. So for that, what I do is I take any of the matte foundation which I love and I want to apply that. So I take a very little amount of my foundation which I desire to apply on my face, and then I use my Pond's Gel Moisturizer. I apply it. I just mix both of these things. So this is how the foundation now looks like. Once it was a very heavy matte foundation, so now it looks like this. So now I will apply it over my face and you can see how dewy and wow. So this is how I use my foundation matte, ultra matte foundations to convert into the dewy foundations, and this is how the result looks like. So natural and dewy, and I really love the effect which I get after using this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. And you can use any of the moisturizers which are super light and also breathable to your skin, so that it provides a very nice dewy effect on your skin. like my foundation is giving me. So this is how it looks like. Let's move towards hack number 4. So for my next hack, I will be using my matte lipstick and my powder highlighter, and I will be converting both of them into a liquid blush and into a liquid strobe cream highlighter. So for that, I will be using my Pond's gel moisturizer. I will be taking it in a very little amount and I will be placing it on my palm like this. I will be using any of my desired lip color, which can be a matte color. I will be using any matte lipstick which I want to apply as blush, and I will be applying it here and mixing and matching it with my Pond's gel cream. So I will be now mixing both of them, and now it looks like this. It's a liquid blush now. So now I will be applying it over my cheeks like this, and now just blending it nicely. Someone knows I love applying blush on my nose as well. So for the highlighting, to making it to a strobe cream, I will be using my Master Chrome Maybelline highlighter. This is in the shade Molten Gold. So for now, I cannot scrape out my powdered highlighter. So what I will be doing is, I will be first taking my beauty blender, and then I will be just taking nice amount of this highlighter like this on my beauty blender, and now I will be taking some amount of my Pond's gel moisturizer cream on my hand like this, and then I will be just taking and blending this highlighter like this on my hand, and now it's ready to apply. So this is how I apply highlighter all over my face, because this is how nice and dewy look it gives to my skin, and it looks so natural, guys. It must be looking over on the camera, but in real life it looks so gorgeous on the skin. When you apply any liquid highlighter or any liquid thing on your face, especially when you have dry skin type, go on with this technique and it will be, oh god. Can you see the blend? It's giving an airbrush and a natural type of makeup look. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you and also the hacks. If yes, then please like my video and also subscribe to my channel. Do like the video. It means really well to me. So I will be back with some other good contents. Till then, bye bye, and I love you all so much.